Hello, this time I want to try the harpoon and tornado against the 11 star. I think it's a blue titan. Yeah, it's a blue titan. So let's see if I'll be able to have any impact on the game with this team, as you can see here. And not even any damage dealers, only 3 healers and 1 buffer here. So let's try my best. So the first is the stun, that's good. I use the harpoon, then the tornado. Yeah, this is quite nice here. I use Mickey, healer, the green tiles as well. And I think that's it what I can do from this one. And let's try to do some more combinations. You just need more green tiles to go up. And it's not really good what I intended to do, but never mind. I will try my best here. Use tornado again, and nothing happens. No, never mind. I'll do green crystal here, and use the green crystal again. Maybe I should use the tornado as well, but that's fine with me here. And a red crystal finally, and maybe something will connect. I just need more greens to connect. No, so never mind. It's only 37,000 damage, so let's try it again. Now I don't have much items left, so I will just switch it here and let's try it again. So this time there's like no stun at the start, so I will use the tornado again. I will fill up Mickey here, and I will just try to do the maximum from the tiles I get. Yeah, use the harpoon, and yeah, it was a bit lucky with the green crystal, and let's see if the luck will follow in the next moves. That's not bad this way. I can still provide some damage here, but the green tiles, they are really missing in the matchup. I just need to clean the board a little bit more. It's not enough time to do anything, so I will use the rest of the green tiles and try to do some more combination, and that was it. So it's 40k damage, and for my last try I don't have any tornado left. I have only 2 harpoons, so what I'm gonna do, I will just I'll try to use maybe this mana as well, and let's see if I can do anything here. No. So let's try it like the normal way. Harpoon, Mickey goes off. Do some more stuns here, and it wasn't bad at all. Again stun, and The green tiles, they connect really nice here. I'll follow with a little bit more stuns and use the harpoon for the very last time. Maybe I should get Mickey ready again and do some last moves here. And purple diamond at the end, and let's see if I will be able to make any green connections. That's not bad at all. This way. And I made mistake with Mickey. I should use him like faster. But never mind. You see, even without using any of the good items, I did like the best damage of all, because I didn't waste time with the mana and so on. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.